Okay guys, just gonna make a brief video of how to actually execute trades, because a few of my viewers need some help to figure out how to execute trades really, and really what is the bid and ask. Uh, Remember, trading auction market principles, we are not trading for ticks, we are trading for handles or points or whatever you call them, but in the execution standpoint, ticks do matter. So, uh, we have this in simulator. I do not want to be entering unnecessary orders in a real account at this time because, well, the markets aren't even open and there's no trades. So, what I want to show you is you could see in the right in this white level, these are all the prices. The yellow bar is the last price trade, which is 605.6, and the number beside that is how many contracts were traded, or shares, depending if you trade stocks. The green number is the ask, which is the lowest price someone is willing to sell out, and the red one is the bid, which is the highest price someone is willing to buy at. Now, to be an aggressive buyer, you would have to click the market, which is buy at market, which will hit you at the green. Or to be aggressive seller, you sell at market, which is at the red price, by clicking here, or the price highlighted in the sell zone. Now we have these numbers on the sell blocks 5 higher and 5 lower on here. These are just the amount of contracts at that specified price, and the sixth one is all of them added together. Now I'm just going to give you a few types of trades. Any orders placed on this buy area is in the green area is a long trade or a buy position. So for example, I'll enter a buy limit right here at 604.08, and you can see the one limit. I only trade one contract right now. I will move up to more contracts as experience grows. Anyway, so you can see I could conveniently move it here, lower, to whatever price I feel. Let's say I want to get hit at 605, I put it at 605. And if the price comes down to here and hits me at 605, well then I'm filled. Same thing on the sell side. I could put oh, sorry, let me cancel that. I could put a sell order over here, and I can move it wherever I want. Now there are also a few other types of orders you could place, which are stop orders. Now stop orders can be used to enter a trade and to exit a trade. So for example, let's say I want to enter if price breaks above 606. Well then I'll put a buy stop, which is pink. I'll change that to purple. Give me a second so that it shows up on the other side. Okay, here we go. So that's a stop buy order, and this is so what that means is if the price, the offer, if any trade hits 606.1, it will enter a market order, which will get you filled at the best price possible. It will enter a buy order, a market buy order at 606.1. Same thing on the sell side. If you will only enter a trade if it breaks 605, and let's say you're not going to watch it, you just wanted to enter it automatically, you just put a sell stop there. Once that bid or any trade touches 604.9, it'll get you filled short. Now, what happens when you get in a trade and you want to place a stop? I'm just going to click none here. Let's say I want to buy it here. Okay? Buy order. We need to wait for it to get filled. Okay, we got filled. And by the way, when you are filled in a position, it is shown by the brown box right here. So now that you are filled long because I bought it, let's say your target is going to be 607. So what you do is you put a limit order up there. So once prices this price or any trade, well, once the bid hits 607, or enough trades, or you're on the offer and enough trades hit the offer that will fill you, well then you'll make a profit of .30. Yeah, that's a .3. And your stop, let's say you only want to risk $50. So what you do is you put a sell stop at 605.2. So remember, if you're long, your orders to get out will be on the sell side. You can also click reverse, which it will take you out of the long position and get you short. And you could click close to get you out immediately at market. Now there's another special order you could do where you can enter a trade, and this is called a bracket order. So let's get filled at 605.7 again. Okay, what will happen in a bracket order is you will get your stop loss automatically filled. Let's go with the same parameters, 605.2, and your target, it's a bit higher here, will be green, and you can put it at that 607. It's very flexible. You could, let's say you want to have a $20 target, $20 stop loss, you could do that. If you want to have a 300 target, $80 stop loss, you could do that. Even 90, 100, you could really do anything. And if you want to cancel these orders, just click cancel, and all of them are canceled. You could click the C to center it, and I think that's about it. You could enter multiple contracts if you have enough money in the account, so you could have multiple orders in. We could have one on the bid, one on the offer, and stuff like that. And you could see this is the Russell. You could also change it to oil. Well, it's not moving right now. Actually, none of these are moving, but you could change it to gold, and you could put your orders in there. This is NinjaTrader, by the way, if you're wondering what I use to execute trades. I bought the Lifetime because a few years ago I thought I was going to use it for charting. I don't anymore, but I use it just for execution. Usually any platform will give you this sort of DOM entry. Really, that's about it. Just want to show how to enter trades, really. If you have any questions, please comment on this video. And thank you for watching. Oh, also one more thing. You can also have here, let's show this. That was just a trade I made in gold today. It was just a break even. But you could see this is my TWS. I use Interactive Brokers for swing trading. It's the same type of thing. It's not a ladder, but what you could do is you could click the ask, and you could change it to limit, market, a limit, a market order, a stop order, and so on. It's the exact same thing as clicking any of these prices, except you don't have the DOM. I prefer the DOM just because you could see a bit more in depth. So thank you for watching this video. This will be posted in HD like all my others.